Welcome back to the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, everybody. This episode is a special shout out to the folks at Spring Creek Model Trains in Deshler, Nebraska. This is a hashtag not sponsored episode here, and I would just wanted to give a shout out to these guys because they gave extra good service. I talked to Glenda, Dave, and Jeff down there, and they got me the things that I needed to complete this DCC installation. They didn't get me the engines. I've had these for a very long time from another vendor, but they did get me the final components that I needed to keep alive and sugar cube speaker for both of these engines. And they got me another little treat here that I'm going to go into in just a little bit. But I really wanted to give these guys a shout out for a great service, and I'm supporting them in part because they also support the show in the DSCD NMRA Show in Sioux Falls, South Dakota in March. Come see that if you get a chance in 2025. That's coming. I'll probably cover that before that comes out, but when we get a final date and final location, I'll let you know on that. In any case, they got me these components here for these tunnel motors, and I'll get these out to you in an episode here coming up next on the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. Then what I wanted to talk about quick like is a second ICC caboose that I got that Jeff sent me from Spring Creek Model Trains. This is the post-1981 version of the caboose. This is the one with the roof walks removed and the windows plated over. So this is the second tangent caboose that I've gotten from Spring Creek. At some point in a future episode, I'll open both of these up and take a look. But for now, this week's episode will be the tunnel motors, getting the keep alives, getting the sugar cube speakers in there, and getting the programming done on the Soundtrack Tsunami 2 decoders. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the content here. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe for more, leave us a comment, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.